a visit to Cambridge. So before you read what you see here, this is the story of a meeting. This is the story of a meeting between two extraordinary people, both of them disabled or differently able. Both of them are disabled or differently able. Yes. Are we now say they are differently able. Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of our time. Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of our time. Who both of them disabled or differently abled, as we say now. Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of our time. Okay, वो author बोल रहे हैं, right? Author is telling that in our time he is one of the greatest scientists. He suffers from a form of paralysis that confines him to a wheelchair and allows him to speak only by punching buttons on a computer. So, because he was getting paralysis, so he was communicating with the help of with punching. Okay, which speaks for him in a machine-like voice, and that was speaking like a machine-like voice. Okay, Fergus Kanga. Okay, Kanga is a writer and a journalist who lives and works in Mumbai. Kanga was born with brittle bones that tended to break easily when he was a child. So brittle bones, matlab wo, okay, yes, weak bones. Most of the time it was breaking. Okay, like Hawking, Kanga moves around in a wheelchair. Okay, so Stephen Hawking and this Kanga, they are both similar. Okay, the two great men exchange thoughts on what it means to live life in a wheelchair. Yes, and on how these so-called normal people react to the disabled. Matlab, most of the normal people, they don't understand what is a life of a means a crippled life or the handicapped life. They just comment. Okay. Cambridge was my metaphor for England, and it was strange that when I left, it had become altogether something else, because I had met Stephen Hawking there. Okay. So when I left, it had become altogether something else. First, वो उतना इंग्लैंड के साथ परिचित नहीं थे. उसके बाद जब स्टीफन हॉकिंग से मिलने का बाद उनको थोड़ा वहां का बहुत परिचित उनमें हुआ था. ठीक है. It was on a walking tour to Cambridge that the guide mentioned Stephen Hawking. Okay. Poor man who is quite disabled now. Okay. He was his guide. Okay. Though he is a worthy successor to Isaac Newton. Okay. Isaac Newton का एक worthy successor उनको माना जाएगा. Okay. Whose chair he has at the university. उसी चेयर में वो बैठे थे. ओके. बैठा करते थे. ठीक है. आइजैक न्यूटन जहां पे बैठते थे. And I started because I had
quite forgotten that this most brilliant and completely paralyzed astrophysicist, okay, the author of A Brief History of Time, is also an author, Stephen Hawking. Yes. Okay, this book is A Brief History of Time, one of the biggest bestsellers ever. Okay, lived here. So this man, Stephen Hawking, is an author, and he is here in this university. Okay, so he was quite happy. Okay, when the walking tour was done, I rushed to a phone booth and almost tearing the cord so it could reach me outside. Okay, that means he stretched the cord so that it will go outside and he can talk there. Okay, phoned Stephen Hawking's house. He phoned to Stephen Hawking. Okay, there was his assistant on the line. He was not available, his assistant. Okay, and I told him I had come in a wheelchair from India. Perhaps he thought I had propelled myself all the way, okay, India, to write about my travels in Britain. So Kanga is telling that I'll write about my travels in Britain. He is telling to his assistant, Stephen Hawking. I had to see Professor Hawking. Even 10 minutes would do. So 10 minutes would be sufficient, he says. Half an hour. Okay, he said on 3:30 to 4. But the appointment was fixed for half an hour. Okay, and suddenly I felt weak all over, growing up disabled. I had to see, okay, and suddenly I felt weak all over, matlab all over my body, growing up disabled. You get fed up with people asking you to be brave. Okay, when you are having the disabledness in you, people will be always advising you that be brave, like that. As if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. That means you have a courage account, and you are not using it. Okay, like that people will be advising. The only thing that makes you stronger is seeing somebody like you achieving something huge. So he tells to somebody, you mean somebody, some successful man like Stephen Hawking. Okay, then you know how much is possible and you reach out further than you ever thought you could. So आप जहां पे है वहां से आगे भी जा सकते हो. Okay, I haven't been brave, said his disembodied computer voice. क्योंकि disembodied, okay, so that means the computer has no body. Okay, so बोला क्योंकि उसने पहुंच किया. And the next afternoon I have had no voice. Okay, I have not been brave. I have had no voice. Surely I wanted to say, living creatively with the reality of his disintegrating body, was a choice, but I kept quiet because I felt guilty every time I spoke to him, forcing him to respond. Means if I will say something, also the other person will reply. So for replying he has to do something, and it made him okay. Sorry. There he was, tapping at the little switch in his hand, trying to find the words on his computer with the only bit of a movement left to him. So, उसी कम समय में वो with the only bit of a movement left to him, means not movement, not time, but that movement, but okay, उसमें उसको उनको बताना था. Okay, his long pale fingers. Okay, even so often his eyes would shut in frustrated exhaustion. Okay, most of the time you will be seeing his eyes would be shut, बंद हो जाता था. In frustrated exhaustion, exhaustion मतलब tiredness में. And sitting opposite him, I could feel his anguish. Okay, the mind buoyant with the thoughts that came out in frozen phrases and sentences, steep as corpses. मतलब, so I could feel his anguish, how he was he was unhappy. The mind buoyant with thoughts, but his mind was having, okay, thoughts that came out in frozen phrases and sentences, steep as corpse. It is compared with the corpses, matlab the dead people. Okay. A lot of people seem to think that disabled people are chronically unhappy. Okay, I said, I know that is not true myself. Are you often laughing inside? Okay, these are the questions he is asking. The disabled people are, okay, chronically unhappy. What means from many days they are unhappy. About 3 minutes later he responded, I find it amusing when people patronize me. Okay. So when people say about him, okay, he find it amusing. उनको अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है? And do you find it annoying when someone like me comes and disturbs you in your work? He is asking whether I am disturbing you. Whether I am disturbing you. The answer flashed, yes. Then he smiled his one-way smile, and I knew, without being sentimental or silly, that I was looking at one of the most beautiful men in the world. Okay. See, the answers flashed. You stand that side. The answer flashed means immediately answered yes. Then he smiled, his one-way smile, and I knew, without being sentimental or silly, when he said yes, I should be sentimental. I should be thinking that I am sorry, but I was not like that. Okay, that I was looking at one of the most beautiful men in the world, but I was encouraged to ask him more and more. A first glimpse of him is shocking because he is like a still photograph, as if all those pictures of him in magazines and newspapers are turned three-dimensional. Okay. So here it is telling, first time when I saw him, okay, it was shocking. और अच्छा नहीं लगा, because he is like a still photograph. और बात नहीं करते थे. And now, when I see him, like, and in the magazine and newspapers, what I saw them, okay, about the man is coming true. Is turning what? Three-dimensional. Then you see the head twisted sideways into a slump, the torso shrunk. Then you see the head twisted sideways into a slump, the torso shrunk inside the pale blue shirt, and the wasted legs. You look at his eyes, which can speak still, and they are saying something huge and urgent. So he could feel about him, how the person is. It is hard to tell what, but you are shaken because you have seen something you never thought could be seen. Okay, so looking a person in front, really it is a different thing. Before you, like a lantern, okay. लंटन का मतलब नहीं जानते हो? हाँ, yes. Before you like a lantern, stand up. Whose walls are worn so thin, you glimpse only the light inside. Okay, is the incandescence of a man, inner glow or light. So he could see the inner glow of him. Okay, like we see of a lantern. Okay, the body almost irrelevant, exists only like a case made of shadows. So that I know, believer in eternal souls, know that this is what each of us is. Okay, we have a body, but actually, what is the value is inside of. Everything else an accessory. What do you think is the best thing about being disabled? I had asked him earlier. उसने क्या आंसर दिया था देखो? I don't think there is anything good about being disabled. So उसने बोला था कि disabled होने से कुछ गुड नहीं है, कुछ अच्छा नहीं है. I think I said you do discover how much kindness there is in the world. Okay, so उसने मैं बोला था कि आप डिजेबल होने के बाद जानेंगे कि वर्ल्ड के पास कितना काइंडनेस है. अगर वर्ल्ड के ऐसे तो जो अच्छा आदमी है उसको सब देखते हैं, ठीक ठाक है उनको देखते हैं, लेकिन डिजेबल्ड आदमी को कैसे देखते हैं वर्ल्ड, ऐसे वो तुम जान पाओगे. Yes, he said it was a disadvantage of his voice synthesizer that it could convey no inflection. Okay, no shades or tone. That tone, what he was telling, was coming straight. It was no up and down in it, and I could not tell how enthusiastically he agreed with me. But though the voice was fixed, but he could know the enthusiasm in him. Okay. Every time I shifted in my chair and turned my wrist to watch the time. Okay, I wanted to make every one of our 30 minutes count. See, so every time he shifted in his chair and turned his wrist to watch the time, every time he was seeing what is the time, whether my 30 minutes are over or not. So that he was seeing every time. I felt a huge relief and exhilaration in the possibilities of my body. How little it mattered then that I would never walk or even stand. So he was thinking, okay. He was thinking that what will be his future afterwards. Okay. About 3 minutes later, he responded,